this is Keo from Fruit Baskets, and we're gonna play the sound effect game. Here we go. Sound effect. These two have to be quiet. We have to make up their like whatever.
Get off me!
All right, let's go.
It's still on me. It's on me. Okay.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Give it to me.
Say no to drugs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll save that for later. Oh, wait, don't throw my candy.
What are you doing, man? Oh my God. Oh my God.
I kill you with a shoe. With a head.
What are you doing? Oh my God. I can't aim. Oh no.
Mommy, help me. Secret Asian man.
What? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God, what happened? Oh my God. Close it.
I opened it and it happened.
Okay. Alright, okay. It's okay.
It broke.
It's okay.
I opened it and
It'll be
it
okay. It'll be okay. Take it to the ER. It's okay. It'll be okay. You can perform surgery.
It broke, Mommy! I gotta buy you another one now. It still works. What do you expect? You brought it like 20 times.
Hero!
Dude, I'm cursed, okay? This is porn, man.
I'm cursed.
This
Okay.
is porn,
Yeah, you know,
Open it up.
protection.
You open it up.
You have to always be protected.
And look at porn. Yeah. Porn.
The internet
is for porn. The internet is for porn.
So grab your
Dick and double click for porn. Porn. The internet is for porn.
That was brilliant. That's so epic. People singing in the bathroom. Epic people singing in the bathroom.
Yes, Kayla.
We are opera singers.
And we still have no idea why Sasuke's in here.
Or Keo. Or you.
Can ninja travel through time?
Yes.
I got another idea.
Kind of.